गाइस, तो कैसे हो आप लोग। स्वागत है हमारे चैनल में। तो चलो आज हम ओम्स लॉ के बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लॉ के कुछ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को देखते हैं जो कि एग्जाम में आने के 75% तक चांसेस रहेंगे। चलो वीडियो को बिना देर किए हुए स्टार्ट करते हैं और चैनल को जल्दी से जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार, वीडियो देख के चले जाते हो। सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। तो हम आपको नेक्स्ट और भी बहुत सारे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लेके आएंगे आपके लिए। सब्सक्राइब द चैनल प्लीज। चलो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में स्टार्ट करते हैं। ओम्स लॉ states that a currently is proportional to voltage when the dash remains contains power, temperature, resistance, conductance. The correct answer is option number B, temperature. Next question. The mathematics expressions of Ohm's law is V equal to IR, I equal to VR, E equal to IR, V equal to I upon R upon I. The correct answer is option number A, V equal to IR. The SI unit of the ring resistance is volt, ampere, ohm, coulombs. The correct answer is option number C, ohm. Next question. Electrical power is given by VI, V upon I upon V, V plus I. The correct answer is option number A. Next question. Conductance is the reciprocal of voltage, current, resistance, power. The correct answer is option number C, resistance. Next question. Kirchhoff's law. From the Kirchhoff's law से कुछ क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे. Kirchhoff's law, current law, is based on conversion of energy, charge, voltage, resistance. The correct answer is option number B, charge. Next question. According to KCL, the algebraic sum of currents at a made is 0, infinite, maximum, equal to voltage. The correct answer is option number A, 0. Next question. Kirchhoff's voltage law is based on the conservation of energy, charge, current, resistance. The correct answer is option number A, energy. Next question. According to KCL, sum of the voltages closed loop is infinite, 0, maximum, equal to current. The correct answer is option number B, 0. Next question. In a series circuit, the current towards the each component is different, sum, 0, infinite. The correct answer is option number D, sum. Next question. Voltage division and current division से हम लेंगे. The first question is the voltage division rules is used for parallel circuits, series circuit, open circuit, short circuit. The correct answer is option number B, series circuit. Next question. Current division rules is used for series circuit, parallel circuit, open circuit, single resistor circuit. The correct answer is option number B. Next question. In the voltage division, voltage across resistance depends on resistance volume, current volume, power, conductance. The correct answer is option number A, resistance value. Next question. Total resistance in series connection is product of resistance, sum of resistance, reciprocal sum, difference. The correct answer is option number B, sum of resistance. Next question. Equivalent resistance is parallel is always generated then larger resistor less than a smaller resistor equal to sum infinite. The correct answer is option number B, less than sum resistors. Next question. From the semiconductor basics. The first question is semiconductor conductivity lines between conductors of and insulator, metal and gas, liquid and gas, non. The correct answer is option number A. Next question. Silicon has dash valence electrons 2, 4, 6, 8. The correct answer is option number B. Next question. An intrinsic semiconductor is pure semiconductor, droplet semiconductor, metallic conductor, insulator. The correct answer is option number A, pure semiconductor. Next, doping. Doping means the heating semiconductor, adding impurities, cooling semiconductors, removing electrons. The correct answer is adding impurities. Next question. In N type of semiconductor, majority carries are holes, electrons, protons, neutrons. The correct answer is option number B, neutrons. Next question. In P-type semiconductor is majorly carries are electrons, holes, neutrons, protons. The correct answer is option number D. Next question. From the PN junction diode. First question. A PN junction diode allow current is both directions, one direction only, no direction, all circuit. The correct answer is option number B. Next question. When the diode conducts, it is in reverse bias, forward bias, BS. Natural BS, no BS. The correct answer is option number B, forward BS. Next question. In the reverse BS, diode behaves like short circuit, open circuit, battery, capacitor. The correct answer is option number B. Next question. Cut in voltage in silicon's diode is approximately 0.3 volt, 0.7 volt, 1.5 volt, 5 volt. The correct answer is option number B. Next question. Cut in voltage in the germanium diode is approximately 0.3, 0.7, 1 volt, 5 volt. The correct answer is option number A. Next question. Depletion reasons in forward due to movement of electrons and holes, adding of voltage, heat, light. The correct answer is option number A. Next question. Rectifiers converts AC to DC, DC to AC, AC to AC, DC to AC, DC to DC. The correct answer is option number A, AC to DC. Next, half wave rectifier use 1 diode, 2 diode, 4 diode, 6 diode. The correct answer is option number A. Next question. Full wave rectifier use 1 diode, 2 or 4 diode, 3 diode, 5 diode. The correct answer is option number B, 2 or 4 diode. Next question. Ripple factor is lowest in half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, both same, none. The correct answer is option number B. Next question. Dipolar junction transistor BJT, इसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चन करेंगे. BJT has dash terminals 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is option number B, 3. Next question. The 3 terminal of BJT are emitter, base, collector, anode, cathode, gate, source, drain gate, input, output, ground. The correct answer is option number A, emitter, base, collector. Next question. BJT operated in dash mode 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is option number C. Next question. IC in CE configuration. CE stand for common emitter, common energy, common electron, common elements. The correct answer is option number A, common emitter.